Eggs are a good source of protein for the body. Eggs have become an important food ingredient that is needed daily. Many processed foods use eggs. Eggs can also be processed using a variety of techniques, such as frying and boiling. There are various ways to enjoy egg dishes. Not surprisingly, many people love eggs and can eat lots of eggs a week. However, what is the benefits and risks of consuming eggs? Apart from being a protein source, eggs also contain a lot of nutrients needed by the body. One egg contains vitamin A, folic acid, vitamin B5, vitamin B12, vitamin B2, phosphorus, selenium, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K, vitamin B6, calcium, and zinc. Due to the nutritional content of eggs have many benefits for the health of our bodies. Eggs actually contain lutein and zeaxanthin, which are antioxidants that have an important role in eye health. This is especially necessary for older people, where there is a decline in their ability to see. Eggs contain strong antioxidants that can maintain the eye's retina's health, so that eye health is maintained even though it is old. Lutein and zeaxanthin, which are abundant in egg yolks, can help reduce the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration, leading to blindness in the elderly. Eye diseases are widespread in older people. Besides, vitamin A contained in eggs also helps maintain the health of your eyes. Eggs contain choline, which is a vital substance and is usually grouped in vitamin B. Choline can help maintain brain health because it is needed to build cell membranes and help the production of signal molecules in the brain. Besides, choline also plays an important role in breaking down the amino acid homocysteine, which is associated with heart disease development. Although choline provides important benefits for you, many of you are still unconsciously lacking choline intake. One egg contains approximately 100 grams of choline. Amino acids are protein building blocks, which are indispensable for all forms of development of cells in the body, both those that work for structural and functional purposes. The protein content in eggs can increase muscle mass and help muscle work. One large egg contains 6 grams of protein, which consists of essential amino acids in the amount needed by the body. Eggs enriched with omega-3 fatty acids can reduce triglyceride levels in the blood. High levels of triglycerides in the blood are known to increase risk factors for heart disease. A study shows that consuming 5 eggs enriched with omega-3 per week for 3 weeks can reduce triglyceride levels in the blood by 16 to 18%. Besides, eggs contain many benefits, as mentioned above, but eating too many eggs also carries risks. This is even more so if you have certain diseases, such as hypercholesterolemia. One egg contains 212 milligrams of cholesterol, while it is recommended that you only consume as much as 300 milligrams a day. Then, how? Actually, cholesterol in food does not always increase cholesterol in the blood. The cholesterol-producing liver doesn't convert all the cholesterol in the diet to blood cholesterol. However, the reaction of each individual to consuming eggs is very different. In a study, it was shown that 70% of people who eat eggs do not increase their cholesterol levels in their bodies at all, while the other 30% can increase their levels of bad cholesterol, LDL, and total cholesterol in the blood, even if they only eat a little egg. Is it true that consuming lots of eggs can increase the risk of heart disease? Many people say that egg yolks are bad because they contain a lot of cholesterol, increasing your risk of developing heart disease. To prove this, many studies were conducted. What's surprising is that many studies don't confirm this. A review of 17 studies showed no association between egg consumption and heart disease or stroke. In fact, your assumption that eggs can increase cholesterol levels in the body is not always true. A study published in the journal Lipids in 2013 showed that eating whole eggs can increase good cholesterol levels, HDL. High levels of good cholesterol in the blood can reduce bad cholesterol levels, LDL, in the blood. So, actually consuming eggs is good for health. Back to the relationship between eggs and heart disease. A study published in the British Journal of Medicine showed that consuming 1 egg per day did not increase the risk of heart disease or stroke in healthy people. However, be careful for those who have difficulty controlling total cholesterol and bad cholesterol, LDL, levels. You should limit your egg consumption to only the egg whites. For those of you who have diabetes, you should also limit your egg consumption. In the Nurses' Health Study and Health Professionals Study, the risk of heart disease increases in those of you who have diabetes, both men and women, if you eat 1 or more eggs every day. How often is it safe to eat eggs? So, the conclusion is that eggs are healthy food for those in good health. Eating 1 egg per day for healthy people will not be a problem. However, it's different for those of you who suffer from diabetes, heart disease, high blood pressure, or cholesterol problems in the blood. You should limit your daily egg consumption. You can still eat eggs, but preferably no more than 3 times a week.